2 weeks after the big storm. I wanted to show you the kids crashing into the snowbank because it's hilarious. There's Emma in her Under Armour. You've never seen quite like that. You okay, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. So here's our mound of snow that remains. Emma, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
I was watching you crash into the snow. Did it hurt?
No, it didn't. It hurt my knees when I tried it.
Okay, here comes Zach.
When I tried again.
Here, let's man if he is. Oh gosh, where is he gonna go?
Watch out, Bill.
Oh my gosh. How was that? Off he goes.
The first time I did that, I hurt my knees the first time I did it. I knocked it in right here and here.
Yeah.
That hurt.
Mm-hmm.
It really hurt my knees.
Yeah.
Now get your eyes on the boys.
Okay, there they go.
Now the boys are riding their scooters.
Okay, at least they're on the sidewalk.
I gotta chase them.
Yeah, I know I should have helmets on them. I know. I know what you're all saying. Bad mother. Oh golly. Nice. If you could even see what's happening there. Okay, there comes Zach. Does not want to be pushed. All right.
Go!
Bye, honey. Have fun. Be careful. Good exercise going back up that hill.